On this video we're going to show you the proper height of the needle bar and how to adjust the needle bar. What you're looking at currently is the proper setting of the needle bar height. You want to see all of the eye, nothing above the eye of the needle in the hook. And that's the proper setting. Now we're going to show you how to adjust the needle bar height. What we're going to do is take a flat screwdriver. Is the only tool we need. This is a Statler machine in particular. You'll take out the lower of the two big rubber plugs. With your needle bar in the lowest position, you'll be able to access your clamp through this hole. It's just one flat screw. You hold on to your needle bar, loosen the screw, and adjust the needle bar height to where you see what we seen in that clip we shown earlier. You want to see all of the eye, nothing above, and tighten your clamp back. And replace your plug. That's all for adjusting your needle bar height. For this particular model, the Statler 30, 26, 22, 18, they all have the same mechanism here. The access point is in the same location. They all work exactly the same way. There are some electronic components that could be in different locations here. You might have to pull out of the way to get access to this clamp.